Imagine waking up each morning with a heart full of gratitude, fully aware of your ability to shape a positive and fulfilling day ahead. By cultivating a positive mindset and attitude, you open the door to boundless possibilities, transforming your life in ways you never dreamed possible. Number 1. Gratitude is the catalyst for change. Gratitude serves as the foundation for positivity and self-improvement. By consciously acknowledging and appreciating even the smallest blessings in your life, you shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. This change in perspective guides your path with a sense of purpose and joy, creating a ripple effect of positivity in all aspects of your life. Number 2. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is crucial for staying on track with your self-improvement goals. Seek out individuals who express positivity and inspiration, as they can empower you to face challenges with confidence and resilience. By immersing yourself in a supportive environment, you can maintain motivation and momentum on your journey of personal development. Number 3. Self-care. Prioritizing self-care is a vital component of self-improvement. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being through practices like exercise, mindfulness, and engaging in activities that bring you joy helps build resilience and equips you to navigate life's inevitable ups and downs with optimism and strength. By investing in self-care, you lay the foundation for sustained growth and well-being. Number 4. Overcoming negative thoughts. Combating self-doubt and negative self-talk is crucial for fostering a positive mindset. Challenge negative thoughts by replacing them with empowering affirmations that affirm your worth and capabilities. Cultivate a dialogue of self-worth and confidence to uplift positivity in all areas of your life, paving the way for personal transformation and growth. And number 5. Goal setting for growth. Setting meaningful goals provides direction and purpose to your self-improvement journey. By establishing clear objectives and working diligently towards them, you fuel your positive mindset and approach challenges with proactive optimism. Goal setting acts as a roadmap to progress and growth, guiding you towards the realization of your full potential. In conclusion, embracing a positive mindset serves as the cornerstone of self-improvement, paving the way for a life filled with purpose, joy, and success. By integrating gratitude, positivity, self-care, goal setting, and problem solving into your daily routine, you can cultivate a way of life that leads you towards your fullest potential. As someone once said, your mindset is the foundation of everything you do. Cultivate a positive one and watch your life transform. So, start now and witness the transformative power of a positive mindset in shaping the life you desire. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality, so cultivate a positive perspective and watch your life transform before your eyes.